Hey guys, massive shout out to W&J candles. So they originally sent my mother some different stuff to review, and I saw them and I had to buy their Halloween collection of these are meltables. So meltables, you put them in a little thing and they melt. So So guys, the name of this one, I got a whole case of them, and the name of this one is called Witches Farts. So I will try and put a link to their Facebook now. I don't think they have a website, but you can contact them and you can use PayPal to order from them. So you can contact them on Facebook and go from there. But Witches Farts, that actually smells good. I can't believe I'm saying that. This is Full Moon. Oh, that smells really good as well. So I cracked them open a little bit. That way I'm not wasting 50 minutes. So this is Book of Smells. That's not bad. Ghost Farts. We have to open that a little bit more. Alright, so that one is pretty good. We got Poison Pie. I like that a lot. Well, I guess I'd be poisoned because that smells really good. Abducted. Yeah, that smells pretty good. We have Fortune Teller. So, that's not too bad. Alright, so we have Banshee. Oh, I like that. That's good. We got Bitten. I'm not sure if I like that one or not. It's not bad. We have Hate Potion. Well, oh, that's actually good. I like that one. We got Witch's Brew. That's not bad. We got Werewolf. Yeah, I like that one. Witching Hour. I know, don't mind me, guys. That's not bad. Alright, guys, so this is Nightshade. Oh, that smells good. Nightshade reminds me of is that A Nightmare Before Christmas? This is Lizzie Borden Took an Axe. That's it. That's not bad. Jack-o'-lantern. It's not bad. Let's see. I Put a Spell on You. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. Yeah, everyone has their different. Sea Witch has their different, what they like. That's not bad. Overall, a lot of different scents. Very reasonable price.